Every step ensures only the best cassava proceeds to flour production. With cleaning and sorting complete, cassava is now ready for core processing. Roots are precisely sized to ensure uniform starch extraction. Residue removal prepares roots for precise cutting and processing. Continuous monitoring ensures consistent root quality. Even after cleaning, manual inspection guarantees optimal product quality.
Lighting ensures every operation is visible for quality and safety.
Cassava roots are guided precisely toward initial cleaning. Every root now begins its industrial transformation journey.
The journey of United States giant cassava flour begins deep in carefully managed cassava farms. These underground cassava roots store the starch that will become fine cassava flour.
Harvest begins with precise uprooting to protect cassava root integrity. Only mature, undamaged cassava roots are selected for flour production. Harvested cassava is immediately organized for transport. Efficient handling prevents damage before processing begins. Cassava roots are prepared for immediate delivery to the processing facility. Stability during transport preserves raw cassava quality. With harvest complete, cassava begins its journey to transformation. Every root carries the potential for industrial-scale flour production. Speed and timing are critical once cassava leaves the field. Large-scale cassava flour production depends on coordinated logistics. The factory awaits the arrival of fresh cassava roots. This is where raw cassava begins industrial transformation. From soil to system, cassava enters the heart of processing.
Transport precision ensures cassava arrives fresh and undamaged. Every shipment is verified before entering processing zones.
Internal transport maintains a controlled flow of raw cassava. Accurate positioning prepares cassava for offloading. The factory opens its first gate to cassava processing. Preparation for unloading begins immediately.
Mechanical handling reduces strain and speeds transfer.
Cassava roots now move closer to processing systems.
Every movement is timed to prevent delays.
Cassava is guided toward the processing line.
This marks cassava's first contact with factory machinery. Logistics remain circular and efficient. The factory takes control of cassava flow. Raw cassava now enters the heart of transformation. Controlled intake ensures consistent downstream processing. The facility stands ready to transform raw cassava into high-quality flour. Logistics are tightly coordinated to maintain efficiency. Brand and facility mark the beginning of industrial precision.
Security and documentation ensure proper intake control.
Every shipment enters a controlled industrial environment. The exterior is designed for seamless vehicle and material flow.
Precise docking prepares cassava for offloading without delay. The threshold between raw harvest and industrial processing opens.
Conveyors guide cassava efficiently into the processing heart. Human supervision complements automation at every entry point. Mechanical precision ensures smooth transition onto the processing line. Every route now begins its industrial transformation journey. Cassava routes are guided precisely toward initial cleaning.
Lighting ensures every operation is visible for quality and safety.
The raw roots now reach the cleaning and sorting phase, preparing for processing. The first step inside the factory is meticulous cleaning of every cassava root.
Human oversight ensures thorough removal of dirt and debris. Debris removal is essential for protecting downstream processing equipment.
Mechanical sorting ensures uniformity in subsequent processing. Rejected roots are removed efficiently to maintain production quality. Double rinsing guarantees roots are fully clean before peeling. Peeling is critical to remove outer skin while preserving the starchy interior. Continuous monitoring ensures consistent root quality. Residue removal prepares roots for precise cutting and processing. Even after cleaning, manual inspection guarantees optimal product quality. Roots are precisely sized to ensure uniform starch extraction. Consistent sizing is critical for efficient milling and flour quality. With cleaning and sorting complete, cassava is now ready for core processing. Every step ensures only the best cassava proceeds to flour production. The heart of flour production begins as cassava is ground into fine particles. Uniform particle size is essential for consistent flour quality. Sifting ensures only the finest particles continue forward. Recycling coarse particles maximizes efficiency and minimizes waste.
Air transfer moves flour efficiently without compromising quality.
Continuous monitoring ensures a steady supply for downstream processing.
Secondary milling achieves the delicate texture demanded in high-quality cassava flour. Sifting guarantees purity before moisture removal.
Drying is critical to achieving the ideal moisture content for shelf stability. Controlled drying removes excess moisture while preserving starch integrity. Cooling prevents clumping and prepares flour for final sieving.
Final sieving ensures perfectly consistent flour ready for packaging.
Samples are analyzed to maintain high product standards.
Automated systems maintain hygiene and efficiency in flour handling.
With milling, sifting, and drying complete, cassava is now ready for its main transformation into fine flour.
The core flour now enters the main transformation stage for final conditioning.
Precise monitoring ensures consistent flow and mixture quality.
Mixing produces a smooth, homogeneous flour ready for further refinement. Controlled heat and airflow prepare flour for final processing.
Conditioning optimizes flour moisture content and texture for quality results.
Cooling ensures flour remains free-flowing and ready for blending.
Blending guarantees uniform quality across all batches.
Continuous supervision maintains the high standards expected in U.S. cassava flour.
Now fully homogenized, the flour is ready for final conditioning before packaging.
Storage silos maintain quality while awaiting final processing stages.
Regular checks ensure moisture and texture remain within strict parameters.
Automated systems maintain hygiene and continuous flow. Only thoroughly inspected flour continues to final transformation. With blending, conditioning, and homogenization complete, cassava flour is prepared for advanced automated processing.
Automation now takes over, distributing flour precisely through the system. Automated sieving ensures consistency and purity at every step.
Precision weighing guarantees every bag contains the perfect amount. Batching combines efficiency with consistent quality control.
Advanced robotics maintain flow without human intervention. High-speed cameras monitor quality in real time. Automation regulates flow, ensuring every downstream process is consistent.
Complex automation orchestrates movement with precision.
Human supervision ensures automation performs flawlessly. Each bag is filled accurately, ready for sealing and labeling.
Sealing and labeling are fully automated to maintain hygiene and consistency.
Safety checks are integral to automated systems, protecting consumers. Automation arranges every bag for precise handling and storage.
Robotic palletizing speeds up logistics while maintaining product integrity.
High-tech automation ensures every gram of cassava flour is handled efficiently and hygienically.
Precision finishing prepares every bag for secure shipment.
Shrink wrapping protects the flour during storage and transit.
Every seal is inspected to prevent contamination and damage.
Labels and codes are verified automatically, ensuring traceability.
Proper alignment maximizes space efficiency in the warehouse.
Trained operators handle pallets carefully to preserve quality.
Strategic placement keeps inventory organized and ready for dispatch.
Every pallet is digitally tracked, ensuring seamless logistics.
Final checks verify that quality remains consistent before leaving the line. 身体
Precision weighing ensures every bag contains the exact flour quantity.
Automated wrapping guarantees stability and safety during storage.
Efficient transfer reduces handling and ensures safe storage.
Supervision ensures all products are properly stored and accessible. Precision and finishing lines guarantee each bag of cassava flour is ready for quality control and final shipment.
Samples are collected meticulously to maintain uncompromising quality standards.
Each sample undergoes rigorous testing in a controlled environment. Visual inspection confirms consistent texture and color across batches. Precise moisture measurement ensures product stability and shelf life.
Particle consistency guarantees smooth, high-quality cassava flour.
Chemical analysis verifies nutritional value and industrial standards.
Microbial testing ensures the flour is safe for consumption.
Automated monitoring tracks all samples for early detection of any issues.
Every parameter is documented to maintain traceable quality records. Only batches meeting strict standards continue toward final packaging.
Sensory evaluation confirms the flour is ready for consumers.
The lab ensures every batch leaving the facility meets the highest standards.
All samples are catalogued for reference and traceability.
Quality control completes the assurance process before flour enters storage and distribution.
Approved bags move steadily toward packaging and dispatch. Automation ensures every pallet is arranged with precision.
Shrink wrapping secures the product for safe storage and transit.
Trained operators place pallets safely for optimal warehouse storage. Organized storage ensures efficiency and rapid dispatch. Inventory is tracked digitally to maintain accurate logistics.
Preparation ensures a smooth and efficient loading process.
Each pallet is loaded carefully to prevent shifting during transit. Trucks depart fully loaded, ensuring efficient delivery.
Securing every load is essential for safe transport.
Every shipment begins its journey to distributors and retailers. Efficient transport ensures fresh flour reaches markets promptly.
Regional hubs allow timely delivery to multiple retail locations. And this is how modern factories produce United States giant cassava flour from start to finish. Every pallet is stored carefully to maintain quality until shipment.
Efficient loading completes the final step of production. From raw cassava roots to packled flour, the journey is complete.
The production process is complete, ready for markets nationwide.